So I got my homeboy Crown Vic out here, rolling real nice. I ain't got one of these on camera yet, so wheels gleaming out. It's been raining, so he ain't able to put the shine on them, but I mean, as you can see, they shining. But once he go to the car wash, definitely gonna go to the car wash after y'all see what's been done to his car. Now, of course, we know about the remote start, and we've seen a couple videos with the push to start. Now, there's his push to start, and that's on the Crown Vic. It's on the 07 Crown Vic.
09.
09, I keep saying 07. 09, get it right, 09. 09. 09 Crown Vic. There go a good picture right there. Got the screen in the dash. All right, now I'm gonna get on the other side. And I'm gonna make it start. All right, I'm in the car. Everything now. Nothing is on right now. So I'm gonna hit this here. Foot on the brake. Lights up. AC on. Radio on. Everything good. Put it in the gear. Oh, got him, coach. Got the sun in the picture and everything. Alright. Same way I turned it on. Put my foot on the brake. With my blue shoes on. Hit that button. Off we go. Now it is tied into the alarm too, but y'all done seen that before, so we ain't got to get into all that. So I'm gonna arm him up. And just like that, we good to go. So push to start on the Crown Vic. I've done a couple of them. First one I got on video, and I'm glad I got this one on video because it's where the key cylinder is at. So there it is. There you have it. I want to thank my boy for letting me put my touches on the Crown Vic, and I'm pretty sure after this video, I'm gonna get a lot more calls on the push to start, especially on these Crown Vic. So look at the wheels one more time. Look at them one more time. Look at them. They got you dazed. Wake your ass up. All the President UNLTD. We out.